Here's what I like about this vacuum. The headlights on it work very well. The swivel action works very well. The suction power works well. What I don't like is this. You can't do anything. Once that's on, the thing's so top heavy, it just falls over. And where do you put your attachments? You put your attachments, and then you go to do something, you got to tear the whole top off, set it down, take it apart, put the attachments on. There's no spot for the attachments. So then, if you set your attachments in a different spot, you come back, you go looking for them, now you got to find your attachments. Second thing, this top piece right here, this is kind of heavy. It gets tiring holding this. My little wife can't deal with it. It's too much for her to even hold. It's kind of heavy. The sucking power on this thing works very well. Other than that, I think I got to return this. It just doesn't seem to work well. I did have an issue with the spinner not spinning on a thicker carpet. It just stopped, so there wasn't the power to spin it. Yeah, the suction power works great, but yeah, there's other issues with it.
Okay, so this is my new vacuum cleaner. I absolutely love her. I think I paid like $142 after taxes. The only downfall, I'd say, she does not stand up on her own, so you kind of have to like lean her against something for her to keep her composure. But other than that, she works great. We've got 2 French Bulldogs here at the house, and it's picked up, as you can see, pretty well. It's extremely easy to clean. So yeah, I would highly recommend this.
Okay, Shell, I put oatmeal down here and even some in the corner so we can see how this vacuum cleaner that is this Rocket Deluxe Pro does. So I'm going to turn my I'm going to turn my vacuum cleaner on, and I'm going to vacuum that and see if this does what you want. There you go. Voila. I think that you might be satisfied with that.
Okay, and it's on off. We're gonna plug it in. But it's already on. The switch don't work. Unplug it. That's the only way to get it to stop. Okay.
The only thing I don't like is the fact that this can't stay on. You have to take this part off for it to stand up straight. Otherwise, it's okay. It's a keeper. It's very flexible.